The next Razr foldable smartphone from Motorola was reported to be delayed just yesterday, but today the company has revealed its unveiling date, August 2. It will be joined at the same event by the Edge X30 Pro. The launch is happening in China, but the X30 Pro has long been rumored to launch elsewhere, rebranded as Edge 30 Ultra. It remains to be seen whether the Razr 2022 will ever escape China. However, but given the history of the foldable Razr line, chances are high. Still, the initial announcement will take place in the home of Motorola owner Lenovo, which probably also means these two models will be available in China first. The Motorola Razr 2022 is a pretty big departure from its predecessors, as it will be powered by Qualcomm's latest and greatest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. That's a stark contrast of the 7 series chips the previous Razrs were using. It's also rumored to bring a 6.7-inch 120Hz inner screen and a 3-inch outer screen, a dual rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor and 13-megapixel ultra-wide and a 32-megapixel selfie snapper. The Edge X30 Pro or S30 Ultra, on the other hand, will be among the first smartphones in the world to use Samsung's ISOCELL HP1 200-megapixel camera sensor alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto lens. This device will also have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 at the helm, as well as a 6.67-inch 144Hz POLED curved touchscreen, 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, 128 or 256 GB of storage, a 60-megapixel selfie snapper, and a 4500 mAh battery with 125-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. That's it from today. See you in the next video.